Today we uncover why the cube root of 4913 is exactly 17. No guesswork, just clear maths. Let's break it down. So hey Maths Explorer, welcome back to my channel. 4913 looks intimidating, but it hides a perfect cube. So we will reveal how to spot it using simple method. So I'm going to take factor tree method here. You can do prime factorization method or long division method as well. So 4913. So when we divided it by the prime number 17, we get 289, and 289 is the perfect square of 17. So 4913 is 17 times 17 times 17, or you can say that cubed root of 4913 is 17 power 3, and here's cube root. So 4913 is a cube root of 17. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more cube roots. Thank you so much.